Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very special methodology that you can implement and make your Shopify one of the most successful dropshipping and business online. But obviously, before we get into the video, one of the major things that we're going to focus on is something slightly different from our usual videos, which you can find on our channel. So if you haven't checked our channel out, go ahead and check it out. Now, one of the things which people tend to ask is that how can we sell services if we don't want to sell products? Well, you can also sell services on Shopify. How do you do that? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. So if you're an individual that wants to start your Shopify account based on a service, then this is definitely the video for you. If you want to talk about any particular thing, you can always comment us in the comment section below and we'll try to make a video for that for you in the upcoming weeks. Now, one of the major things that we're going to focus on today is photography. Right now, there is a massive niche in the industry that is thinking about getting into and actually making a lot of money off photography. So how do you utilize that on Shopify? Now remember, the motto of Shopify is that if you can dream it, you can sell it on Shopify. So if you dream to be a photographer and want to sell that skill set on Shopify, you can. And you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business, because Shopify is a platform where you can sell anything and everything. It doesn't need to be a product, guys. It could be any service. It could be any particular thing, a skill set that you have and you want to share it with the world. You want to make money off it. You can by using Shopify. And I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to guide and support and assist you in that proper manner, because we have gone into great detail and done our research in understanding the mistakes that a lot of different individuals tend to make when they start their dropshipping business, because you want to make sure that you know exactly what you want to do. And once you understand exactly what you want to do and how you want to do it, that is the only time that you can become successful. And the ease of doing business, the ease of establishing a successful dropshipping business, a ease of developing an enterprise, an organization that can give you the financial freedom that you always want, you can achieve that with Shopify, because Shopify brings your vision to life with their easy to use store creator. You don't need to hire a front-end developer. You don't even need to get a back-end developer. You don't need a UI or UX individuals, because you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are available on Shopify. Even more than that, guys, they also have different features and functionalities in their app store that you could use and implement and install and add onto your Shopify to enhance your store. Even more than that, guys, you can connect with customers everywhere. You can focus on managing your inventory. Even more than that, you can track your payments. You can view real-time business insights all from a single dashboard. All the tools that you require to take your business to new heights are available to you with Shopify, and you can focus on managing your business. You can focus on developing a strategy. You can focus on scaling your business, and obviously you can only do that when you have the proper support, when you have the proper assistance, when you have the proper guidance. And that is what you can achieve with Shopify, because it focuses on developing a methodology. It focuses on developing and helping you and guiding you and giving you an opportunity where you can break away from the 9-to-5, get the financial freedom that you always want, and become financially independent. And you can do all of that on Shopify.com. So if you do not have an account on Shopify, don't worry, guys. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days and find out how they're empowering entrepreneurs everywhere. With millions of merchants right now, they're focusing on building their careers, building their organizations, building their empires and their businesses with Shopify. They're available in 175 countries. That literally means that you have an opportunity to access the global world. And all you need to do is think local and act global. And you can achieve a lot of audience and make a lot of money in the process. They have supported 5 million jobs up till now with $444 billion of economical activity that they have done. And literally that is a huge percentage. Even if you get 1% or 0.5% of that $444 billion, that will literally give you the financial freedom that you have been always dreaming about. And all you need to do is click on the start free trial and go and answer the first question, which is which of the best describes you. And there are a couple of questions that you need to answer. And after you've answered those questions, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And obviously on the left-hand side, you're going to have your home, you're going to have your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts with your online stores and the different apps that you can use to actually enhance your Shopify account and focus on developing a successful Shopify store. And obviously the first element you can do is customizing your theme, and this is where our video can give you the tip and the trick. Now there's a lot of themes that are available on Shopify that you can actually use, but remember guys, the common denominator, the competitive advantage, the difference that your Shopify landing page is going to have is obviously going to create the impact of your success. And literally that is the reason why a lot of individuals fail to become successful businesses, because they do not understand exactly what kind of theme they need to implement to make them successful dropshippers, to make them successful businessmen. Because the first thing any customer will do when they come onto your Shopify account, onto your landing page, is look at how you have established yourself, what kind of experience that you give a customer. And remember, customer experience is literally the common denominator for success. That is the basis upon which successful businesses are made, because you have so many businesses, so many competition, so many individuals, so many sorts of niches that exist. Once you understand the impact that you can create in someone's life, the difference that you can give, the experiences that you can give, and obviously attract those individuals based on those experiences, that is the reason why they will come back over and over again to your shop, because what they receive, the personalized experience that they get, and obviously that is experience they would always want to get when they come to your store. And that the first line of defense that you're going to have is the theme, is the experience, is the color coordination, is the aesthetic sense of your store. If it looks good, if it feels good, if the experience is good, they will tend to become loyal customers, they will tend to become returning customers, and they will come back over and over again. And there's so many themes that are available, as you can see on Shopify, but the one place that can give you the competitive advantage is themeforest.net. That is a place where you can find professional themes on Shopify and get those themes. And obviously I'm going to show you the themes that can really set you apart if you want to start a dropshipping business, if you want to start an organization for photography. All you need to do is click and write photography. As you write photography, you can search for all the themes that are available on ThemeForest. And obviously by using this element over here, by harnessing this tool, by understanding this element, you can literally make a competitive advantage, get a competitive advantage, understand the aspects over here. And all we need to do is look at the fact that this is not expensive. Imagine if you need to hire someone to actually create these amazing themes for you. It will literally cost you thousands of dollars. But with ThemeForest, by getting a theme that is developed by individuals that understand exactly what programming is, what aesthetic sense is, what graphic designing is, what front-end development is, what back-end development is, what user experience is, what user interface is, you have all of that in $59. You have all of that in $39. And obviously you have that element in your hand. You can use that to your advantage and obviously scale your business based on it. So let's check out the $29 theme that's available over here, because I want to show you what difference a good theme tends to make besides and compared to a bad theme. Now, just looking at this photography theme, you can understand that they know exactly what they're doing. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see exactly how they've developed themselves. They have galleries, they have blocks, they have shortcodes, they have contact us. You can purchase this theme as well. And it gives you a complete breakdown of how things are working. If you look at a theme, for example, that's going to be relatively more expensive, but obviously the more money you put into it, the more element that you have to it, the better it's going to look, the better it's going to be. If you look at this theme, which is for $59, you can clearly look at the elements that you have. You have the light version and you have the dark version. We're going to go with the dark version because I want to look at how it actually feels, how it looks, and what kind of impact it can generate. Now, the first instance that you look at this, it looks brilliant. Look at the way they've color coordinated everything. Look at the way they've developed everything. And they're able to bring something that is truly unique. And you can use this element over here to harness and use it to your advantage. All you need to do is get this theme, put it on your Shopify, add all the pictures that you want, the prices that you need, and you're good to go. It is as simple and as straightforward as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and to guide you. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.